Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. Let's take a quick look at this 2020 Toyota Yaris. This one is going to be the XLE trim, and so it does have a couple different features such as your LED headlights with daytime running lights. You have fog lights down below. Checking out your wheels, these are going to be your 16-inch alloys. And then coming to the window sticker, it is going to be in the stealth exterior with the black Softex interior. Some other key features on the XLE is you are going to have the rain sensing wipers, as well as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 6-speaker head unit, automatic climate control. Total is going to be under 20 grand. It's going to be 19,705 with 40 miles per gallon on the highway and 32 in the city. Coming around back, nice little deck lid spoiler. You do have the XLE badging as well, single outlet exhaust down below. Not much content on these. Figured I'd get a quick video of the XLE trim. Turn signal indicators on your mirror. Going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat that is perforated. Turn down that fan speed a little bit. Coming to your interior, nice padded stitched armrest, power windows, locks, and mirrors. You do have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side bolstering group extensions, as well as your cruise, audio, voice commands, Bluetooth, automatic headlights, as well as your rain-sensing wipers over here. Checking out your gauges, you do have the clusters on either side that you can kind of go through. They are digital. Then over here, this is your center head unit. It does source from Mazda. And so coming over here, going to your applications, that's where your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is going to be. Then going to your entertainment is where your audio source is. You can check out FM, AM, XM, as well as your Pandora, Stitcher, Bluetooth, and your USB inputs. It is going to be a touchscreen as well, so if you don't want to use the controller down here, you can easily just touch it. Nice padded stitch dash. Your single zone automatic climate control, you can set your temperature, put it on automatic, and you can leave it, or you can manually control your fan speed, temperature, and your zones right here. Now below that, you do have your audio inputs as well as an aux and a 12-volt. This is going to be your 6-speed automatic. It is going to be connected to a 1.5 liter dual overhead cam i4. It's going to be making about 106 horsepower, but that's not what you're worried about. You're worried about the MPG, so it is going to make almost 40 out on the highway, or actually 40 out on the highway, 32 city. You do have your rear backup camera right over there. Sport mode, your controller for your entertainment system, leather stitched e-brake, and your cup holders. You do have your glove box over here, as well as your manually dimming rearview mirror, dome lights, sunglass storage, and then a vanity mirror. And so that'll wrap it up for the front seat. Very spacious in here as well. Definitely deceiving from the small footprint on the exterior. Let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. And on this one, as you can see, you do have belts for 3. I'd probably keep it to 2 back here, with the same perforated Softex interior, as well as you can see on your door panel, that power window. And then coming back here, popping open your trunk via the key or the button inside is super easy. Can fold down those seats 60/40 via the mechanisms right here. And a nice lined trunk lid with emergency release up top. Down below, temporary spare tire and jack, which is becoming more rare in the subcompact segment, so definitely nice to see that. But that was just a quick little video on the Toyota Yaris IA XLE. It's definitely unique. Don't see these on the lot much, especially in the southeast. Corollas definitely roll the roost down here. But this will be a great little car for someone. Gets great gas mileage, and the unique features such as the LED headlights, CarPlay, rain sensing wipers, and such like that for under 20 grand are a great touch. So go ahead and feel free to check out Massey Toyota in the description below if you're interested in this vehicle or any other. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like. Otherwise, I will see you in my next one. Bye now.